Nothing fancy, no heroics, by the book this time.
Got it.
Hey.
Ooh. Hey, Jeff, what's happening, buddy? We were just wondering what you were doing here.
Man's talking to you.
You know our arrangements, Jeff. You don't travel outside of the E, F, and R subway lines. In exchange, you get to eat all the inorganic garbage that you want.
What the hell are you doing here, worm boy?
T. Jeff, excuse my partner. He's new and
Kinda stupid. Ooh, you getting big, Jeff. Boy, what you been eating? Oh, you like jokes, huh? Jeffrey!
Sweet dreams, big boy.
Big boy. Transit Authority, people. Please move to the forward car. We got a bug in the electrical system. Yo, people! We got a bug in the electrical system. Oh, now y'all running. Now y'all... No, sit down. Sit down. It's only 600-foot worm.
Everybody out before I start knocking heads here.
You get in there and you put the hammer down on this thing.
I'm Captain Larry Bridgewater, and I decide what happens on this train.
Oh, you decide. Oh, okay, come here. Come here. Larry? Yeah, it's my man Jeff.
Larry just made a decision.
Yeah, Larry need to take his ass in there.
Yeah.
Don't make me do this, Jeff! '81st Street. Just a second. May I have your attention, please? The city of New York would like to thank you for participating in our drill. Had this been an actual emergency, y'all would have been eaten. 'Cause you don't listen. You're ignorant. How a man gonna come bashing through the back of a subway when... That's the problem with all y'all New Yorkers.
oh, we've seen it all.
Oh, no, a 600-foot worm. Save us, Mr. Black Man. Now, I come in, I ask you nice, move to the next car. Y'all just sit there like... Thank you for participating in our drill. Hopefully you enjoyed our new, smaller, more energy-efficient subway cars. Watch your step. You will have a nice evening.